Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Elgato Stream Deck MK.2 and I'm very excited for this one because this tiny box has a reputation of becoming the control center for creators, streamers, editors, coders and productivity nerds. I'm not setting it up today, I'm not reviewing it today. Today we are just opening the box, checking what comes inside and seeing if it is feel like the premium productivity tool everyone is talking about. So let's open it. On this channel, I'm on a quest to find the tools that actually makes life better. Not just a flashy gadget, but the tools that saves time, reduce friction, and make your workflow smoother. What is the best universal productivity tool for someone who is both a creator and a hardcore coder? So today, we have one of the most popular contender, Elgato Stream Deck MK.2. Let's see what's unboxing experience looks like. Let's look at the box impression. Very clean packaging. It already gives me the creator desk setup energy. The front shows the Stream Deck very clearly and can immediately tell what main appeal is and what the product is. Tiny visual buttons. That is the whole magic of the device. Instead of remembering shortcuts, macro apps, commands, or workflows, you get physical keys with labels and icons. So let's cut it open. All right, here we go. Nice packaging with clean and minimal feel. First thing inside the box, Stream Deck itself. So let me take it out. Okay, this is the smaller than I expected. I think I was thinking a little bit bigger, but it doesn't look like something that dominates the desk. It fits very nicely. The button feel very interesting already. They are not mechanical keyboard buttons. They are soft feel because each key basically a custom screen. That is what makes this device different from the normal macro pad. And let's see what comes inside. We have Stream Deck MK unit that we have already here. And so stand and this comes together as one, which is very nice. And then we have some paperwork in here, as you can see, and blue book. Really nothing. That's all it has. Very clean, no unnecessary clutter, which is I like because device is already speaking that it is helping to declutter the workflows and declutter the life. It is important about the size. Let's talk about it because this is going to sit on your desk every day. You want to see button very clearly without leaning forward or moving your hand awkwardly. The stand feels stable at the first impression. It's very nice hard plastic. I'll test it properly down the line, but for unboxing, that looks pretty good. Let's take a close look for a device itself here. For the creator, this could be controlling the recording, scene switching. While recording, there is so many buttons that I wish that, I don't have to like fumbling my mouse. I love it. And launching the apps and automated the repetitive tasks. Because that is a key for the productivity. Productivity not is something that you invent. Productivity is, I personally feel, is that you find your repetitive tasks, doing that faster and finding the shortcuts. So that's where I think this device is probably gonna land down the line. I'll probably give you both perspective as software engineer or a coder, as well as like person who streams. First impression, it's very clean, very compact, very purposeful, and that was the unboxing of Elgato Stream Deck MK.2. So far, I like what I see. The packaging is clean, the device feels compact, and the idea behind it is powerful. But the real question is not how it looks in the box. The real question is whether it can actually save time and make my workflow better. That is what we will find out next. So if you enjoy this unboxing, please hit the like button. That really helps the channel. And subscribe for worth knowing if you want honest, practical video about tool, tech, AI, productivity, and gadgets that can actually improve your workflow and life. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next one.